Hello everyone. Today in this video I will talk with you about the method we will put the industrial air cooler. An industrial air cooler comes, you can make it distribute the cold air with two methods. The first one, you can make it like this. The airflow, maybe it will be look like mobile air cooler, but it's industrial mobile air cooler, and it will be easy to move it to anywhere you want. This is a method. It's very easy for not very big area. You don't want to make a lot of ducts. It's not necessary to do this. And the airflow from the air cooler with this way. The second method, it will be like this, and in this way you can put the air cooler on the roof of the building or off the sides, and connect the air cooler, the industrial air cooler, with ducts whose distribute the cold air to the building. Thank you very much, and please, if you have any question, you can leave your question in the comments, or you can call us on our WhatsApp number, or you can send email for us. Thank you very much. Please like, comment and share.